In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send an email when a form is submitted in Jotform, using Jotform's Gmail integration. This process will make it effortless to handle form submissions and ensure that you or your respondents receive timely emails with the information they need. Let's dive in and start setting up the integration step by step. First, head over to jotform.com. Once you are on the sign-in page, you can log in by choosing your preferred method. You have the option to sign in with Google, Microsoft, or with your email address and password. This flexibility makes logging in quick and easy, regardless of the accounts you prefer using. Once you're logged in, you'll begin by setting up email notifications for your form submissions. In Jotform, this is generally done by creating what is called a notification email. This feature is really handy as it can automatically send an email each time a form is submitted, complete with all the submission details. This ensures that you are always kept in the loop about incoming form responses. Next, choose the specific form you want to modify or work with. From the form builder, what you want to do is click on Settings, usually found at the top of your page. Once you are in the Settings section, look for the Emails tab on the left side of your page and click on it. Here, you'll want to click on Add Email. A new window will pop up, and from the options given, you'll choose Notification Email. Once in the notification email settings, enter the recipient email address where you want these notifications to be sent. This could be your own email or your team's email. Additionally, make sure to configure other essential settings such as the email subject and body content to ensure the details align with your communication goals. Don't forget to save all these settings to ensure they're correctly applied. Now let's move on to setting up an autoresponder email, which is a bit different. This automated message can be sent back to the person who submitted the form as a confirmation or thank you note. To do this, again in the form builder, click Settings and then Emails. Here you'll click Add Email and select Autoresponder Email from the options. Customize this email by filling in the required fields, ensuring that the recipient is set to the form submitter, and adjust the subject and body content to fit the tone and style you want to convey. Once again, save your settings. Finally, if you're looking to send emails using your Gmail account, Jotform offers a powerful integration through Zapier. This means you can connect Jotform to Zapier and then proceed to link Zapier to your Gmail account. This integration allows you to set up a Zap that automatically sends an email from your Gmail account whenever someone submits a Jotform. It's a seamless way to maintain personal branding by sending emails directly from your domain. That's it. Integrating Jotform with Gmail using Zapier is straightforward and efficient, making your workflow smoother and more automated than ever before.